Hello class, the point of this brief video is to show you how to register a default email in Canvas. So in Canvas, if you come and hover over the little circle underneath the pirate head in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, click on Account, and it should pull out this pop-up menu. You'll want to go to Settings, and then over here on the side, it's the ways to contact. Now, depending on your screen, it may be at the very bottom. You want to add an email address, and then add your email. It should be your ndcc.edu email. Then once you enter that, click register email, and then you'll need to check that email to confirm it. It will send you an email to confirm. Once you've done that, a star will show up next to your email address. It's only once you have a registered default email with that star that you'll be able to upload papers to the Dropbox in Canvas for the rest of the assignments for this course. Once you've done this, please comment on the discussion board that you have completed it. Thank you very much.